welcome to Jim's Garage Toys, and today I'm going to embark on trying to do something about the rear of my GR Corolla. So, as everybody knows, the Core did not come with any kind of spoilers, so I've been looking around at a lot of different choices, and I think I finally settled on what I'm going to do. So, with that being said, let me show you what I've got. So after looking at a lot of different choices, I've settled on this. They've got the one coming out for the Circuit Edition, and some other choices. You've got the OEM version and whatnot. But I really like the way this one looks. And it was a heck of a lot less money than the Circuit Edition, and I think it'll be a little more unique on my GR Corolla than what most GR Corollas will have. So this is what we're going to do. This is a one I found on eBay, and it is just held on by 3M tape, which I've talked to other people and had really good luck with that. So although it didn't come with any hardware, but I did notice when I opened it up that there are 3 places to actually put a bolt through and bolt it down, and 2 holes for pins. So I guess worst case scenario, if I was having some issues with it staying on, I could go ahead and make a template kind of from this and lay it out and drill it and bolt it down. So the gloss black is a perfect match on mine. I've already set it up there, and I'm really excited because it looks really good. So let's go ahead and clean this surface up, and let's get started. First step I'll do is I'll use this surface prep cleaner from GR Garage. It's designed to strip and prep the paint for any kind of ceramic coating or anything else, so making sure that it is nice and clean for this. Now, when I did my ceramic coat, but I did not do this section, so because I knew I was going to be doing something to that, but I just didn't know what. So the nice thing is that it's nice and clean now, but I'm going to go ahead and wipe it with the surface protectant, and then that way the 3M tape, this right here, will stick great. So there are two pieces. So this one designed to go like that, and then this piece is designed to go in something like that. And then there are strips, no instruction with it, so imagine one strip goes up here on the top, and then the other one will come down along this section right here. So, and it's kind of cool. There's even the little wave in it for the bump for the hatch right there. Okay, so I cleaned all these surfaces, as I said before, so now I have applied the 3M tape all the way across it and on both ends. So I'm going to peel this off. I'm going to take my heat gun to it. It's about 60 degrees today, so it's not overly warm, but it's cool enough. I want to make sure that this sticks really well. And then I will also take that to this surface right here, which I have already wiped down, so it is ready to accept the tape. All right, here it is all installed. Sorry I didn't have more hands. Kind of needed all my hands to install it, but with the help of my son-in-law. And but it is on. It looks amazing. I mean, I can't tell you how thrilled I am with how this thing looks. So it fits absolutely beautifully. So now, as I said earlier, I had not ceramic coated this top piece right here. So now I can ceramic coat this and the whole wing, and I will be set. So one more project done. Thanks for joining me, guys. Any questions on anything, please holler or comment, and I'll get back to you.